I'm welcome. My name is Kevin Ebsworth, and this is kevinebsworth.com. Now, I just want to talk to you about, where you get started with affiliate marketing. I've had a few messages. I'm just going to read from you. So there's a couple of questions that I've been faced with. Do I need my own website? Now, when starting out affiliate marketing, you don't really need anything other than a lead capture page, which basically is a website, but it's not really a website. It's your email provider should be able to create an actual lead capture page. Now, if you are a part of Aweber, I'm just going to show you. I'm going to get my Aweber up. Bear with me for a second. Now, you can create lead capture pages with Aweber. So this is part of the service that you get with Aweber. So let's just have a look. I'm just going to flip the camera around so you can see, share my screen. Okay, so we're now sharing my screen. So this is my website here. At the moment, I'm offering a free 7-part course on how to build a $500 to $5,000 monthly recurring income by sharing amazing $1 trials without ever creating your own products, websites, without dealing with customers, service, or product delivery. And it's even on, you can do it on your first day online. Now, all I'm asking for is a first name and the best email. They opt in and then they get sent to my Aweber. Now, if you haven't got like Aweber, you can buy, let me just open up incognito window. So I'm just going to see if I do this. Yeah, so you can, I'm just double checking that you can actually see what I'm seeing. So incognito window, which is just here. So if I click into Aweber, it will take you to this page here. So you can go for pricing. And as you can see, there's unlimited for $900 a month. You got $20 a month, which gives you a lot more options to do whatever you need to do here. Unlimited subscribers, additional fees apply. You can get the light version, which is 3 less features, or you can get the free version, which is basically giving you up to 500 subscribers, 1 email list, 1 landing page, 1 email automation, basic and email support. So you can get this for free until you get to a point in your business where you have got more than 500 subscribers. Then you will most likely move up the scale to this one, and then you'll move up to this one, and then this one. So let me just get rid of that. So we're back on my Aweber here. Now you can create pages, and it shows you exactly how to create landing pages from scratch. So you can create a landing page. So I'll just go ahead and create a landing page here. It gives you so many templates, and you can make it relevant to your business. So if you're just offering, like I have done, like a 3-part 7 course for your customers' name and emails, so that's your lead capture. So that's all you want, is the first name and email. And then once they've got the first name and email, they then go into your messaging system. So I've got a campaign running at the moment, which is here. Okay, so on that campaign, I've got all messages. So you'll get all these messages sent to you all the way down. So this is, I think it's about 70, 80 days worth of messages there. I'm still going to be putting more in as I go along. Now, when I'm just going to Stop presenting for a second. So when they say you need a website, you don't need a website. What you need is an email, lead capture page. So all you need to do is subscribe to like Aweber, and Aweber or MailChimp or GetResponse will give you a pre-made tool that you can use, that all you have to do is just put the name and emails in, and then you can get it selected to go to your list, and you can pre-write all your emails, or you can upload your emails in there. Now this is part of affiliate marketing, so that's one of the things that you need. That's all you'll need to start off with, unless you do want a website builder. And the website builder that I do promote mainly is HBA, so the Home Business Academy. Now when starting out, you got to obviously have products to offer to your clients. So the products that you really need depends on which niche you want to go into. So if you want to go into the biz ops, then the biz ops is basically a big umbrella, and you've got so many different categories in like how to make money online. So you can do affiliate marketing, you can do trading, you can do all these type of things. It's different. It's a big umbrella, unless you want to go into the wellness, and then you go into the wellness places. There is a couple of places that I would recommend to actually like get affiliate products. You can go on to like JVZoo or ClickBank, or you can go into Warrior Plus. But what I am promoting at the moment is through the Home Business Academy, because they have a really good website builder. And the reason why I'm promoting this website builder is because of the fact if you want to create a business of your own, you decided to branch out and have different types of businesses, then with Aweber you're only listed to, when you start off with a free one, you only have one list. So whoever you drive down that is only for one type of business. So once you climb up the ladder a bit and you want to open up and you want to have different types of businesses, yeah, you can use Aweber to build your lead capture pages, but I actually quite prefer something that is very quick to load. And like I said, I'm just going to share with you my window again, like this here, so it's very simple and very easy to do this. So I'm just going to show you how many different types of lead capture pages I've got. So no, this one, traffic conversions. So here's one here that I've got out there, so you can get a free 7-part course. So this is another lead capture page. Got a website builder page here. So if I click on this link here, it'll take you to the website capture. So it'll have amazing website. So let's take and watch the video. It's 11 minutes long, and it will show you about the website. So go back to this one here. So then we got the powered lead system. So this is promoting another product, which is showing people how to get leads to their business. And then you've got the Freedom Crusaders here, which people can get to watch this video, which is showing you exactly what the company that I am promoting, as well as using at the same time, what they get in return. So, they fed over 6,900 starving children this month, and they keep doing this on a monthly basis. So yeah, I mean, when people come to watch the video, and if they want to be part of it, then they click onto this part here, which will then take them to the All-in-One Business Academy page, where the sales page. So this is what their product is promoting. So every time somebody clicks on here and then purchases it, I get 80% commissions. So let me stop sharing. Some companies out there give you commissions when you're promoting other people's products, sometimes give you 50% commissions. The most I've ever seen is 65% commissions. But the Home Business Academy gives you 80% commissions. So that's the only company that I know that does 80% commissions. So let's just have a look and see what other stuff I can actually have a look. So some of the questions I was given here to speak about was, do I need to own my own website? So you don't really need to own your own website, but it's best to, because it gives you a bit of recognition at the same time. Where do I find products to sell? So I go through that in my last video. What are the best products to sell? So the biggest market out there is the make money market, so the BizOps. So I would probably say BizOps, but it depends on what you're really passionate about. Do you have to pay for the product? Pay the product owner. Now, some people do charge you to be part of their affiliate platform. They want you to actually purchase the product before you actually blast it out to your list. It all depends. I mean, one, it's a good idea to know about the product that you're actually recommending. So I'm doing the same with the Home Business Academy. They give me a chance to promote their products. Plus, they've got a few other products up there that you can promote as well, which they don't force upon you when you go and join their company. And there's some companies out there that you don't need to promote, you don't need to actually purchase to promote there. But I always find if you don't really purchase it, you don't really know what you're selling, you don't know what it is, that's great. So let's just have a look. So do I have to know about advertising and marketing? Well, in a couple of my videos, I've done how to get in front of 100,000 people of your potential customers. And then I talk about how you basically, start friending them, helping them out. I'm even using AI to help you along the way with that. So it makes things a lot easier. So what other stuff is there? Where do I advertise? So I find Facebook is quite a unique place to advertise. Any social media platform, you can do TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. And I find that any social media platform is great to advertise. That's if you want free traffic. If you want traffic straight away, then you can buy solo ads, or you can do Google ads. But it all depends on what your budget is, and if you really need to get this starting, the best way I would probably deal with traffic is do YouTube videos. Now, in one of my next videos, I'm going to show you if you don't like getting in front of the camera, I'm going to show you exactly what type of platform that you can use to create your own videos without actually getting in front of a camera. But I always find that connecting with the customers like yourselves, the viewers, is better because they're face to face, and you can see that you're face to face, and people can see that you're a real person. But if you are too frightened and you want to just create some videos, here and now, then I will show you in my next video where you can do so for free, and it's a pretty cool tool. I used to use something ages ago called Vidnami, and that was amazing, and that had AI voices, put pictures and words to your actual videos, and it used to speak over the words, and that was amazing. So let's see what else is there. So where do I advertise? How do I get people to promote? How do I get people to see what I'm promoting? I find that when you're promoting out on Facebook, if you have your own website, because when you're promoting, the links aren't exactly pretty links, I find that the links are pretty ugly. So I'll just share my screen with you again. So let's just go to the Samcart, which they have their, Home Business Academy, have all their products here. So they show you the websites here, and this is your unique link here if you're promoting this product. So that's what you don't want to be posting all over the place. So when you have a website name, domain name, and you've got the website builder, The domain name, like I've got, is a kevinebsworth.com. Now, I've got loads of websites off of my kevinebsworth.com, so like / website builder $1 trial. So when they click here, they go for a $1 trial. Yeah. So this is what I'm talking about. You can see this. It says here $1 trial, 14-day free trial. So you pay nothing. So so when you look at the actual domain names, when you post that into social media, it doesn't come up as like spam or anything like that. It's because it's your own website. So I find that having your own domain name and your own website, you can lead people to the website that you've seen, like the videos that you've created, and then they click the link down below. And then by doing that, you've captured their name and email, and they've gone to the offer that you're promoting. So it's a middle person. So you're the middle person at the end of the day, and you want to make sure that you get their name and email, because if they didn't buy the product, when they go through your email list, you can keep promoting that product, but promoting it in such a way that they're not really thinking that they're going to be buying anything off you. So how do you get people to see what you're promoting? So I've just talked through that. So the other question was, how much money will I need to get started? As little as $25 a month. I'd probably say that's very easy. $25 a month is all what you really need. You don't need any more than $25 a month. You can actually start for free, but when you go to like JVZoo, ClickBank, or ClickBank's not too bad, but JVZoo, Warrior Plus, people are very picky. When you got the vendors that are sending out offers for affiliates to come and join them, you get people that are very, very fussy. So what happens is you might not get picked to go and promote the product. You may think, oh, it's brilliant, but you will not get picked to actually promote the product. And by doing that, that ends up against you in a way. So that's always a pain in the backside when that happens. So I always say, like, if you can purchase the product that has like the affiliate zones in the background, it's a lot better, because you can promote those products and they're well structured to actually sell. So can I make a full-time living from affiliate marketing? Yes, you can, but do not give up your day job. Reason for this is because it's a multiple stream of income. You don't want to be giving up your income just because of the fact that you think that you're going to make it big. You start off small, you build it up to the point where you can give up your work because you're making enough money from this. I would always say stay in your work job and then build an extra income stream, because that's 2 incomes then coming in instead of just 1. So I hope that answered enough questions for you guys about when starting up in affiliate marketing. If anybody wants to reach out and ask me questions, I will do a video and help you out along that way. So I hope this helps you out, and feel free to come and click on the link down below. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you very much for watching.